Just wanted to pop in real quick to say Merry Christmas. As you can tell,
hats on.
we've got the outfits so you can tell what time of year it is if you're looking at this in the future. It's crazy because about this time last year is when we hauled out with Uma.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's been
wild that the boat was completely empty, and now we're about to put on our last coat of primer.
Yeah, it's been a crazy journey since last year, and
Yeah.
in the midst of all of this boat work, we also have some fun things that are happening, starting with our Uma Nation meetup in February.
We are going sailing in 2025.
Yeah.
Yay!
Yay!
We've got 2 catamarans booked in the BVIs in February for Kika's birthday and Valentine's Day. So if you're on Patreon, I think we have 1 cabin, 1 bunk left. And then also in April, we're doing the Odyssey Sailing Festival again. So that's like a much larger event with many more skippers.
Yeah, it's such a great opportunity to meet so many amazing sailors, from some YouTubers that you may follow to some impressive and inspirational world record holder sailors.
Yeah.
And we still have some space available, so make sure you check out. We're gonna leave all the information down in the description.
And in between those, we're gonna be working on the boat.
Yeah.
But yeah, today actually, we're about to put on our next, maybe last coat of primer. And then we're gonna get ready to insulate and start installing conduit and systems and stuff like that. So things are moving quickly, and 2025 is looking really, really good.
Yeah.
We're excited.
Exciting. Hopefully
Everything's-
Uma launches in 2025.
That's the goal. If
That's
you guys
the
wanted
goal.
to know, we're hopefully gonna be in the water in 2025.
The burning question.
Yeah. But we got a lot left to do.
So we're gonna be working all week this week as well.
Yeah, our Christmas is gonna be on Numa.
We're gonna make it snow on Christmas Day with fiberglass dust.
Probably.
But anyway, just wanted to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's, and we'll see you guys in 2025.
Cheers.
Cheers.